Hello everyone, this is our next activity. First you just have to make the 7 plus 2 equal to and then some kind of a 9 look. Then you just have to make some of the lines as shown here. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step and you will try. It's going to represent a squirrel. Let's move towards the another activity. Here I'm taking the chalk and making some of the lines. We are going to make a beautiful lotus flower. Lotus is the national flower of India and we are going to just trace it down over this board out of few easy simple steps. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Fill it with some bright colors. Let's move towards another activity. We are going to show you how we can create this cute little bow inspired thing. For this you just have to make circle. Let's move towards the another activity. Here I'm taking the chalk and making somewhat rectangular shape and then creating some of the lines as a palette on your screen. Then you just have to make rest of the things. It's a 3D painting of the chair. This looks so perfect. Thank you.